Now students, you can understand what is rural credit and how the government is helping them in providing rural credit for the rural people. Like they have started different institutional sources which are providing short term, long term, as well as medium term demands of the finance of the rural people. Means if the farmers wants to take the short term loans, if the farmers want to take the medium term loans or the long term loans, these institutional sources are providing finance for different purposes or for the different time period also. But the rural banking in India are facing different kinds of problems. So the problems rural banking in India are facing, the problems are insufficiency. Insufficiency, the amount which is required for providing finance to the farmers is insufficient. The financial requirements of the poor farmers, poor people, rural people are too much, which is inadequate, and the these banking facility, rural bankings are providing the finance is less, as the requirements will be more. So there is a insufficiency of the financial requirements. हमारे पास पैसा की कमी है, जो ज़रूरत है फाइनेंस प्रोवाइड करने की, पैसे की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है जितना कि फंड्स अवेलेबल नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज द inadequate coverage of institutional sources. These institutional sources are started for providing the financial requirements or the rural credit to the people, but they are not covering the proper. Means अभी तक जहाँ तक एक्चुअल में जो फार्मर्स को जरूरत है वहां तक अभी तक बैंकिंग रूरल बैंकिंग पहुंच ही नहीं पाई है. मीन्स दे आर नॉट हैविंग प्रॉपर coverage of institutional sources. The farmers in India doesn't know about how to get loan from these institutional sources. They are fear of having so many formalities in filling the forms, etc. So there is a less coverage will be there. The coverage of these financial institution is not wide, so that many people are not able to get the loan or get the finance from these institutional sources. Next is the less attention to poor or marginal farmers. Yes, these institutional sources are started by the government, like NABARDs was there, cooperative societies are there, self-help groups are there, and other financial institutions, and even the government भी financial requirements fulfill करने के लिए, rural credit provide करने के लिए government has also working. But the poor farmers are not able to get the finance from these institutional sources, because they are neglecting poor and marginal farmers. The farmers who are rich, they are only able to get the loans from these institutions, and the farmers, those who are very poor, and even the marginal farmers, those who are not having their own land and they are very poor, so they are not reachable, they are not easily accessible to these institutions. So these banking institutions, these rural banking are neglecting the poor farmers and the marginal farmers, जिनको actually जिन तक फाइनेंस पहुंचना चाहिए था उन लोगों को तो अभी तक मिल ही नहीं पा रहा है. They are not they are getting fear of taking the finance from these institutional sources. So the proper coverage is not there, and also they are poor and marginal farmers are neglected by the rural banking. Then growing overdues. Government has started various financial institutions like commercial banks, NABARD, and other rural banks for providing finance to the rural people and for providing rural credit for medium, short term as well as for long term purposes. But these banks are facing overdues because the finance, those government is providing the finance to the rural people. The poor people are not able to pay back their loans. They are very poor and they are not even ready to pay the interest also. So because of that there will be the growing overdues of the banks. बैंक का जो पैसा जितना फाइनेंस दे रही है प्रोवाइड कर रही है वो पैसा वापस ही नहीं आ पा रहा है, और इवन जिन तक पहुंचना चाहिए था एक्चुअल में जिनको जरूरत है उन तक वो पैसा जा ही नहीं रहा है. तो बैंकिंग जो रूरल बैंकिंग है, इट इज अ सीरियस लैकिंग ऑफ द बैंकिंग दैट इट इज फेसिंग द ओवरड्यूज. बैंक का जो फाइनेंस का जो बोझ है वो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है और उनको जितना पैसा सेंक्शन होना था उतना हो नहीं पाया है. तो जब तक उनका पैसा वापस नहीं आएगा, जो लोन्स फार्मर्स ने लिया है वो वापस नहीं करेंगे, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट नहीं देंगे, तब तक बैंक का ओवरड्यूज बढ़ता ही जाएगा. सो दिस ग्रोइंग ओवरड्यूज ऑफ द बैंक इज स्टिल इंक्रीजिंग. इनएडिक्वेट अमाउंट ऑफ सैंक्शन. Yes, rural, these institutions, financial institutions, these banks, commercial banks and NABARD, even the self-help groups, they are facing inadequate sufficiency of inadequate of finance. उनके पास इतना पैसा ही नहीं है जितना रूरल पीपल में जितना पैसा चाहिए लोन देने के लिए, फाइनेंस प्रोवाइड करने के लिए, उतना पैसा सेंक्शन ही नहीं होता. इन बैंक्स के पास लिमिटेड अमाउंट में पैसा सेंक्शन होता है फॉर हेल्पिंग द पुअर फार्मर्स, हेल्पिंग द रूरल पीपल. So the amount which are sanctioned for providing rural credit is very less. They is having facing the problem of insufficiency of funds, insufficiency of finance, and they are not having proper sanction. जितना पैसा गरीबों की मदद के लिए, किसानों की मदद के लिए चाहिए था उतना उन बैंक्स तक है ही नहीं उनके पास में. उनके पास फंड्स की कमी है. So because of the inadequate amount of sanctions, the rural banking is not properly helping for the rural credit. So that is, these are the lackings of rural banking. कि गवर्नमेंट ने बैंकिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन स्टार्ट तो किए हैं, बट वहां पर भी अभी भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है जिनको कि सॉल्व करना बहुत जरूरी है. when the banks or the government wants to develop the rural areas, first of all, banks or these institutions has to develop the habit of savings among these पुअर फार्मर्स. उनमें सेविंग्स की हैबिट्स डालनी पड़ेगी. उनको बैंक्स में अकाउंट्स खोलने के लिए, सेविंग अकाउंट्स खोलने के लिए उनको इनकरेज करना पड़ेगा. इवन दे शुड हैव गुड रिलेशंस विद देम. वो बैंक्स तभी सक्सेस हो सकते हैं जबकि बैंक्स वाले खुद जा करके रूरल पीपल्स को उनकी फाइनेंस की इंपॉर्टेंस को समझा सके, उनको बता सके कि किस तरह से दीज इंस्टीट्यूशंस आर हेल्पफुल फॉर देम एंड दे विल पे द लोन्स within a proper limit, and that they will pay the rate of interest which is very less as compared to non institutional sources. और जो पैसा उन्होंने अमाउंट लिया है, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट है, वो भी वो धीरे धीरे करके वापस कर सकते हैं. So these are the lackings of rural banking which has need to be improved so that only the rural development will be possible.